Kaushik, even at the 11th hour, or perhaps now it's the 12th hour, even at the 12th hour, the TMC is playing on the insider, outsider, the Gujarat gang, the tourist gang, Bengal's daughter, Bengal's pride versus outsider. You've been covering the situation on ground very closely, both in Bengal and in Assam. But if we were to specifically talk about Bengal, does this narrative work, especially with Mamata Banerjee on a wheelchair, talking about how she's the aggrieved party? And the BJP says, well, she's been in power for 10 years. Or the BJP's social engineering, or BJP reaching out to the Matuas, to the Nam Sudras, to the Rajbansis, to various communities, and the local, approach being adopted by the BJP sector-wise, section-wise, constituency-wise.
Gaurav, the biggest emotion that plays in the eastern part of India, whether it's Bengal or Assam, is the ethnic or the linguistic pride. The Bangla pride that they would have definitely would work for Mamata, and that's the only thing which will probably work the best at the moment, because in terms of development and in terms of social welfare schemes, both parties can claim almost at par equation. But when it comes to Bangla pride, definitely Mamata will have an advantage because she's, as they are trying to project her as the girl of the daughter of the soil. But of course, that's why she's trying to play to that emotion that when BJP is doing social engineering, they are trying to polarize the election in terms of Hindu and Muslims instead of Bangla versus outsiders. And that consolidates a large number of votes under BJP umbrella. The thing that left with Mamata is the Bangla pride. And if that works, that could trouble BJP. And that's why she's raking up that issue, trying to get the emotion and also making people afraid of the quote unquote outsiders invasion. The outsider would come from Gujarat, the outsider would come from North India, and that's the North Indian culture versus the Bengali culture. It's the fight. Eventually, it will boil down to Ram versus Durga.
So is that what is happening on ground, Rahul Srivastav, Ram versus Durga? Because the BJP's pitch also to a very large extent. So, for example, the Prime Minister, when he was at Kharagpur in West Midnapur and in that, that belt that impacts Purulia and Bankura, he started his speech with a local touch saying Jai Goram. He's also making that local touch. Does that have an impact, or the outsider versus insider completely sweeps it from Mamata Banerjee, Rahul Srivastav?
Yes, Gaurav, the BJP, if you look at it, has created an agenda which is not today. It is not recent. If you look at the last 5 years, you will see that there are ample examples that the BJP has very carefully crafted this larger Hindu monolith attempt, largely to counter what Mr. Dekha is saying. The attempt is there because the BJP does have what the locals, if you don't talk to the politicians but the locals, the BJP has political roots now in Bengal. But what it lacked is the kind of a sui generis cultural evolution as part of a political party's evolution. And perhaps what I will say is that if you see the Prime Minister's speech today at the Kali temple, he said, my attempt has always been to one by one visit all the peaks which are there, Shakti peaks which are there. Now that's an attempt to create that connect. Gaurav, what the Prime Minister through his trip today, the BJP in the last few days has tried to do is that it is not to neutralize that outsider comment. The BJP is trying to create those cultural associations in Bengal which play out very strongly in east of India. The similar problem exists, say, for example, in Assam for the BJP because of a lot of ethnic and other issues. And that is where the BJP is trying. And one thing one can say is that given the results of the 2019 elections, it does mean somewhere that the people of West Bengal do pay a lot of weightage, but at one level, they are looking for an alternative. this battle of Ram versus Durga and other might be a political pitch, but somewhere people in the state are signaling that compared to the times of the left, when the left was ruling, or what Mamta has done for them, they are looking for more. And I think that could well be the most critical element over and above the cultural and other ethnic issues.